Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and fascinating science experiment that you can easily try at home, the egg and vinegar experiment. This simple activity not only sparks curiosity, but also teaches us about chemical reactions in a way that's both engaging and educational. So, what happens when you combine an egg with vinegar? Well, when you place a raw egg in a bowl of vinegar, the acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell. This reaction causes the shell to dissolve, leaving you with a soft, rubbery egg that you can bounce. It's a fantastic visual demonstration of how acids can break down certain substances. As you watch the eggshell disappear over the course of a day or two, take a moment to reflect on the science behind it. This experiment is a great reminder of how everyday items can lead to extraordinary discoveries. Plus, it's a wonderful opportunity to engage with family or friends, sparking conversations about chemistry and the wonders of the natural world. Remember, science is all about exploration and curiosity. If you decide to try this experiment, make sure to share your results with us. We'd love to see your bouncing eggs and hear about your experience. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more fun and educational content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.